sports news, theme park news, new music releases, reactions with new movies, new games, plus more on the Chill Out podcast.
Wait, yeah.
What do you want me to do? Anything. Oh, hold on.
The last time I checked, this is not ASMR.
It is now.
No, it's not, because I'm yelling over your candy.
This is a crafting table.
What's it steel? Chicken jockey! Do do do! Do 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 do! Da da! Do do do! Do 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 do! Da da! Do do! It's good. Oh.
Ratatata. Oh, this is a crafting desk.
Yep.
Oh, listen to this wind. Listen. Wait, yes.
It's okay. I'll just watch you.
No, you're part of the challenge.
Alright.
It was a no.
I don't have anything.
Just say something fun.
I can interview you. Yeah, I'll ask you questions. Yes.
Oh, it landed. I want. Yeah.
Alright, do your best impression of a goldfish.
No, okay.
I will too.
No.
I will too.
Bloop. Bloop. Bloop.
That's enough. Next up, we're gonna need your best impression. Alright. Best impression of a goldfish.
No, wait. Can I try again? Okay, this is my impression.
What is that face?
No, wait. The snack that smiles back.
Thank you. Alright, your next impression. Howdy. Do your best impression of a goldfish. Of a goldfish. Just
They're orange.
This is it for this episode of your best impression of a goldfish.
Welcome back to Elmo Impressions with Jake and Ryder. Okay, here's my Elmo impression. Hi, I'm Elmo. Do you want to eat some cheese with me? I'm Elmo.
This is my impression.
Elmo, welcome to Elmo's world. Can you say Spanish? Well, no, I'm turning in the door.
Hey, Sparky. What's going on? So, I'm gonna ask you some questions. What's your favorite food? Alright, yeah, that's my favorite too. What's your favorite drink? Can you sit up for me?
Come on, dance.
So where did he drop it?
Dance.
we're here to interview Tippy. Okay, so this is Tippy over here that we would call him. We call him Tippy, and we're gonna ask him like, he looks very, very frightened right now. What's your favorite food?
Beautiful day now, isn't it? It's pretty out here.
Yeah, I agree. I definitely agree. Okay, well, what do you like to do in your free time? Same. Yeah. I love. Are we getting a different one? We're getting a different one. Just hang out momentarily. We're getting a different cat. Just hang out momentarily. This is Sambucha over here, named after the YouTuber. This is Sambucha. I'm gonna ask him the same questions I did the last one. So, what is your favorite food? You say that again? Okay, all right. What do you like to do in your free time?
You got rabbits all over your shirt. You don't need to carry a cat. You got the coolest shirt, man.
All right, I guess. Is there any last things you'd like to say? Any last?
This is separate. That's Tippy for Tweety.
I don't think she has to say anything. Oh.
What's your favorite color?
Oh yeah, what's your favorite color?
Cat food over here.
What's your favorite color?
We can get a gator out here.
Okay, that's the end. Thank you for watching.
Watch another, subscribe, or check out the newest podcast episode. Follow on Instagram, TikTok, X, and Facebook